Hey, what's up guys, Ali here from mysocialyou.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, we're going to talk about how to use the new DM sticker on Instagram stories. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon and like this video. Alright, now let's jump into this. So Instagram has a brand new sticker that you can use to build some engagement on your account. And good thing Instagram and Facebook, they have been launching a lot of cool features, especially on Instagram stories during these crises and lockdown. So that is amazing. So how do you use it? We are gonna go, I'm logged into my Instagram and we're gonna go to my stories camera and I'll just kind of record or take a picture of me. There you go. So I'm using the fish eye. There you go. I'll kind of take a picture. And then you wanna click on, I hope you can see it, the sticker icon, which is right here where my mouse is. And then search for, you can either search for it or here is the sticker, the DM me sticker right here. And basically you can get your followers to send you a message in your inbox. That's the purpose. You can also just put in the search bar, I can search for that. If you put DM, it's gonna search for that sticker. So when you hit on that, look at this. So there are a couple of things you can do with this. So obviously you can type something to whatever type of messages you want to receive from your followers. Now, you can also click on, so for example, I can say, send me your marketing questions. Right. Sometimes here's another, I'm doing this on my personal profile, but let's say you have a product that you're releasing and you want some feedback from your followers. You can take a picture of that product and then ask people to send you feedback in the DMs. You can also ask people to pick between two different colors, two different features. So there's a lot of different ways you can use this feature. The key thing is the way I look at this, it's a tool or a feature that you can use to increase your engagement with your community, with your followers. Now, I can use this question right here, or another thing I can do is, so when I click on this icon right here, so it seems like I'm able to change the colors, right? That's awesome. Other cool thing is if I click on these, the dice right here at the bottom of my screen, I'm able to basically, it will just kind of look at it. There's some questions that Instagram has in their list, so you can use those questions as well. There you go. Send memes. Oh, that's an awesome one, right? So I am gonna actually do right there. How's it going? Use that, and then hit or add to my stories. So when I do this, and by the way, I didn't add any location stickers or hashtag, but you can absolutely, and you should do that. For this purpose, for the demo of this video, I didn't do it. Now, let's go, I'm gonna go to another account and then see how it will appear to your followers. So here's the other account, I'm logged in, and I am gonna go to my account right here, and let's go to that sticker. So when I see this, I'm gonna click on this, and basically now I'm able to send, as a follower, send message. There you go. And then let's go back to my main account, and then I should have, if I look at this, here you go. So I will receive those messages in my Instagram inbox. A super cool feature, or a sticker, send DMs. Definitely use it, take a look at it, because I feel it's a great way to build more engagement and build a relationship. You can ask them for feedback. You can ask them for question. If you're trying to decide between different product features, different colors, different sizes, different logos for your new business, you can ask them in your Instagram stories. If you have any questions, leave this question in the comments below. Before you go, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. And I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye for now.